Hey everyone, welcome back to Resnick's Travels. Well, it finally came in the mail. The spring Nick box. Let's see, let's show you. There's the front. Let's see. Alright. It took a while and they kept giving updates, which was nice. But it finally came in. So let's see what we got. Alright, let's open up the box here. Put the card away. And let's see. Get this. Alright, we'll start with the figure first. And we got a Hey Arnold vinyl figure. Let me see. Why is it freezing up on me here? You got a Hey Arnold. There we go. Peter kind of froze up on me there. Alright. There's a Hey Arnold figure. The box. Let's see. Alright, let's see here. Let's open it up. Take a look at what it looks like here. Alright. Alright, it's Arnold in the Rain. Turn out. It's a little, I don't know, little flimsy. I think he comes off on from the base a little bit, but you push him back down. The figure's a little flimsy, like especially with the neck area here, and then the umbrella where his hand is kind of flimsy. See that? I mean, but not a bad figure. Let's see what else we have. How do you put it on? There we go. All right, let's see what's next. Let's do this. Oh, okay, here we go. We have a bucket hat, rocket power. Nice. Check that. Hold on, check that out. Oh, there we go. And then back hat. I believe, who is it? The dad wears it. Yeah, I haven't seen. I've got to watch that cartoon. Inside, looks like it would fit. There's really no stretch to it, so got a big head. Give it as a gift. Let's see what's next. I'll save that big old thing for last. Let's see. Camera cover fits most smartphones and laptops. A Snick. Let's see. Let's see. Snick camera cover. I don't know what it's supposed to really. I mean, I guess you put it on that and then, I don't know. Let's see here, what's going on? Alright. Yeah, a little camera cover here. Alright, let's see, what's next? Alright, sorry for the heat, I just got back. I just picked this box up, so I wanted to hurry up and make a video about it. Here, let's see. Oh, and we have an umbrella. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got an umbrella. Why is it doing that? So there. It's a little funky, you know. That is not going back in the bag. Once it's in, once it's out, it's out. Alright, next is the Avro Monsters chalkboard. Check this out. An Real Monsters chalkboard. So I guess you can run it. I mean, let's see. Let's look in here. And then, oh, that's pretty cool. This lunch bag. This is the Gritty Kitty lunch bag. There we go. Let me show you the inside here. This is definitely going to be used. That. This chalkboard's kind of cool. The only problem is there's no chalk. They didn't really give any chalk. So I got a chalkboard with no chalk to it. Huh. Okay. And then the last item is this windbreaker, Nickelodeon. Let's see if I can show you there. And then the back. Let me show you. Whoop. A close up there. That's what the back looks like. Ooh, it's shiny blue. Not bad. This is the Nickelodeon Quartet. And let's see. Have a Culture Fly sticker. And there's the card. So we have the Nick Windbreaker, the Arnold vinyl figure. There's the windbreaker. The chalkboard, the hanging chalkboard. The Snick privacy camera cover. The Ray Rocket bucket hat. I knew it was the dad. Stimpy lunch bag. Where'd he go? That and the color changing umbrella. So I guess when it gets wet, it changes colors. That is it for the box for this time. If you like my videos, make sure and subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button. Really helps out. And until the next unboxing, take care.